Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. My little girl has holes in her knees of her little pants. Okay, these are pants that are meant to go just below the knee. So what I'm going to do in this situation where there's big holes like that in the knee, okay, I'm going to just cut these a little bit shorter, okay, because it's beyond sewing the holes in the knees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put I'm folding it in half and putting the two sides together, and I'm looking at the top of the top hole, and I'm going to cut a straight line straight through both using my sewing shears. So now I've cut off this right here, and I have little shorts. Now, what I can do if I want to is right next to the hem, I am going to trim to make a hair tie. You can actually make two hair ties. So I can use this fabric to make a hair tie because it's a little bit elasticy, not very much, it's just a t-shirt material, so cotton, but it's enough to make a ponytail with. There you have a hair tie, or you could wear it as a bracelet. Okay, let me cut the other one. Cutting the exact same way along next to the hem. You can use it as either a bracelet or a hair tie. Hi, Joshi. You want to watch Bartolito, baby? Okay. So this one works as a hair tie. You like Bartolito? You're funny. You can see one works as a ponytail, one works as a bracelet, and we still have little pants that are still pretty long. They're like long shorts. Good for playing in. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.